What's going on, everybody? So just to give y'all an update on La Wagon, I will be putting in some new subs into it. Be going with Skar Audio's SVR 15s. I know I really like this system because I really wanted to keep my third row up at all times, but kind of changed my mind on that a little bit. I kind of just want to have a little bang in the trunk whenever the kids aren't with me. So the plan is to get a box built, make sure everything fits back there, get it sounding right, and have the third row down when the kids aren't with me. I'm going to leave those in place. Then when the kids roll with me, take it out and just have the little 8s hidden. So let's open up these 15s, see what they look like. So as is usually the case with Skar, get the decal, box specs. It's my kids playing in the background, y'all. There goes the sub. Let's get it pulled out of there. Take a better look at it. Alright, this is it. 15. There goes one of the old 8s that I blew out. It's a pretty sizable size difference, huh? So that's an 8-inch SDR. This is a 15-inch SVR. One of the things I liked about the SVRs is the double weave there. This is a good solid filling sub. Let me turn it around so you can see the magnet on it. Alright, so there goes the magnet. It's quite the difference between the 8-inch magnet and the 15-inch magnet, huh? So in case you're wondering, the SVRs are a little bit of a step up from the SDR. These are dual 4 ohm, so I'm gonna wire those down to 1 ohm. They're 800 RMS each. I'll be giving them about 1700 RMS for my little MVX amp. Alright, so I'll get these in the sub box whenever the box is ready, get it plugged in, and let y'all see what they sound like.